Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new Canopy King bed frame. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review so you can actually check it out. So as we're putting this together, the main thing that stands out is the Canopy frame. It's tall, basically 75 inches, so once it's up, it's going to be the first thing you notice when you walk into that room. It gives it that clean bed look, but you can still keep it simple if you don't want to decorate it. At the top of the beam, it's made to be customizable, so if you're the type that likes adding little extras, this is the kind of frame you can throw curtains on, hang string lights, or just leave it bare and keep it modern. The headboard is another big part of it. It's tall and upholstered with that deep, tufted look, and it's thick enough that it's actually meant to be comfortable if you sit up in the bed, like reading, watching TV, or just scrolling on your phone. It's not just a flat board behind your pillow. Structure-wise, the frame is built to feel sturdy. The posts are reinforced, and the slate system is designed to keep the mattress supported without needing a box spring. And the whole quiet bed thing is real for people who toss and turn. The idea is that the frame and slates don't rub and squeak every time you move. All right, and here is the finished product. This is very, very nice. Oh, check it out. The back. Check it, it's even got Type-C, USB, and 2 outlets right there. Sturdy wood. This is for the king size. Just super nice. Good quality. All right, let's go ahead and put the mattress on so we can actually test it out. All right, got it all set up. Super nice. Love the way it looks. So good in any room, guys. Quality, super good. All right, and I just did want to mention, it's one of our more thinner king size mattresses, so yours might sit a little higher, but just to give you an idea, really good.